Hello. I would like to buy one ticket for a movie today.
Hi there. Welcome. We have several movies showing today. What time would you like to see a film?
I think around 7 p.m. would be good for me. What movies are playing at that time?
At 7 p.m., we have three options. There is a comedy, an adventure film, and a family movie. Which one sounds interesting to you?
I like comedies. They make me laugh and feel happy. How long is the comedy movie?
The comedy is 1 hour and 45 minutes long. It starts at 7:10 p.m. Would you like a ticket for that?
Yes, please. One ticket for the comedy at 7:10 p.m. How much does it cost?
One ticket is $12. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I will pay with my card. Here it is. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your ticket is ready. Enjoy the movie. The theater is on the second floor.
Great. I'm excited to see the film. Maybe I will get some snacks before the movie starts.
That's a good idea. Our snack counter is right over there. They have popcorn, drinks, and candy.
Perfect. I think I will get some popcorn and a soda. Thank you again for your assistance.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful time at the cinema. The movie should be very funny.
I'm sure it will be. Going to the cinema alone can be a nice and relaxing experience. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy your movie night. Come back again soon.
I want to go to the cinema alone this weekend. I need to check what movies are playing.
That's a good idea. You can look online. Many cinema websites show movies and times.
Okay, I'm opening the website now. Oh, there are many movies here. How do I choose one?
You can read the titles and see the pictures. Look for a movie you like. Maybe an adventure or comedy.
I see Ocean Adventure and Funny Friends. Which one is better for me?
If you like action, choose Ocean Adventure. If you want to laugh, Funny Friends is good. Check the times too.
Okay, I click on Ocean Adventure. Now it shows showtimes. What does 2:15 p.m. mean?
That's the time the movie starts. PM means afternoon. You can pick a time that works for you.
I think 2:15 p.m. is good. Now, how do I buy a ticket? Do I need to go to the cinema?
No, you can buy it online here. Look for a button that says Buy Tickets or Book Now. Click it.
I found it. It says Book Now. I click it, and now it asks for my seat. What should I do?
Choose a seat on the map. A good seat is in the middle. Then, you pay with a card. It's easy.
Thank you. I picked a seat and paid. I have my ticket on my phone. This is very simple.
Great. Now you can go to the cinema at 2:15 p.m. Enjoy your movie alone.
Hello, I want to buy a movie ticket online. Can you help me?
Of course. First, open the cinema website or app on your device.
Okay, I have the website open now. What should I do next?
Look for the Movies or Now Showing section and click on it.
I see the movie list. I want to watch The Adventure at 7 p.m.
Great. Click on that movie and select the 7 p.m. showtime.
Now it's asking me to choose a seat. How do I do that?
Click on an available seat on the screen. Green seats are free.
I selected seat B5. What comes after choosing the seat?
Next, click Continue or Proceed to Payment to enter your details.
I need to put in my name, email, and payment information, right?
Yes, fill in those fields carefully. Then, review your order and click Pay.
I've entered everything and clicked Pay. What happens now?
You'll get a confirmation screen and an email with your e-ticket. Save it.
Thank you so much. I have my ticket and I'm ready for the movie. Hello. I'm here to see a movie today.
Welcome to our cinema. Are you looking for a specific film?
Yes, I want to watch the new adventure movie. Is it playing here?
Absolutely. That movie is very popular right now. We have several showtimes today.
That's great. Can you tell me where the ticket counter is?
The ticket counter is just inside these doors. I can show you the way.
Thank you so much. This is my first time coming to the cinema alone.
No problem at all. Many people come to the movies by themselves. You'll have a good time.
I see the movie posters here. They look very exciting.
Yes, we have many great films this month. The adventure movie you want is in Theater 3.
Perfect. I think I'm ready to go inside and buy my ticket now.
Wonderful. Just go through these doors and you'll see the ticket counter on your right.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the movie and have a great time at our cinema.
Hello, I'd like to buy a ticket for a movie.
Good afternoon. Which movie would you like to see today?
I want to see the new adventure movie, please.
Great choice. We have showings at 2:30 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7:45 p.m.
The 5 p.m. showing would be perfect for me.
Excellent. Would you prefer a standard seat or a premium seat?
A standard seat is fine, thank you.
That will be $12.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card, please.
Perfect. Here is your ticket. Enjoy the movie. Hello, I'd like to buy a ticket for the 7 p.m. movie tonight.
Good evening. Sure, let me show you our ticket options. We have 3 main types: standard, premium, and student tickets.
What's the difference between standard and premium tickets?
Standard tickets are for our regular seats. They cost $12. Premium tickets are for our larger, more comfortable seats with extra legroom. Those are $18.
I see. And what about student tickets? Do I need to show something for that?
Yes, you need a valid student ID. Student tickets are $9, but they're only for the standard seats, not the premium ones.
Okay, I have my student ID with me. So if I choose a student ticket, it's $9 for a standard seat, right?
That's correct. Just show me your ID, and I can process that for you. Would you like a standard seat with your student ticket?
Yes, please. A standard seat is fine. Here's my student ID.
Perfect, thank you. Your total for one student ticket is $9. Would you like to add any snacks to your order today? Hello, I would like to buy some snacks.
Hi there. Welcome to our snack counter. What can I get for you today?
I'm not sure what to choose. Can you show me the menu, please?
Of course. Here is our menu. We have popcorn, nachos, candy, and drinks.
That sounds good. What size of popcorn do you have?
We have small, medium, and large. The small is good for one person.
I think I will take a small popcorn. How much is it?
The small popcorn is $5. Would you like anything else with it?
Yes, please. I also want a bottle of water. How much is the water?
The water is $3. So your total is $8 for the popcorn and water.
Okay, here is $10. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Here is your change, $2. Enjoy your movie and snacks.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy the film. Hello? I'd like to order some popcorn, please.
Hi there. Of course. We have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large.
Okay, what's the difference between them?
The small is 1 bag, the medium is 2 bags, and the large is 3 bags. They're perfect for sharing or enjoying alone.
I think I'll go with a medium, please.
Great choice. Now, for flavors, we have salted, sweet, and a mix of both.
What's the mix like?
It's half salted and half sweet popcorn together. It's very popular.
That sounds good. I'll take the mixed flavor, please.
Perfect. 1 medium popcorn with mixed flavor coming right up. Would you like anything else with that?
No, that's all for now, thank you.
All right, your total is $8.50. You can pay at the counter here.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change and your popcorn. Enjoy your movie.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Hello, I would like to order some drinks and snacks.
Sure, what can I get for you today?
I would like a medium soda, please.
Okay, we have cola, lemon lime, and orange. Which one would you like?
I will have the cola, thank you.
Great. Would you like any snacks with your drink?
Yes, I would like some popcorn.
We have small, medium, and large sizes. Which size would you like?
I will take the medium popcorn, please.
Perfect. Your total is $8.50.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change, $1.50.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your movie.
Hello, I would like to buy some snacks, please.
Good evening. Welcome to our snack counter. What can I get for you today?
I would like a medium popcorn, please. Is it buttered?
Yes, our medium popcorn comes with butter. Would you like extra butter on it?
No, thank you. Just the regular butter is fine. And I would also like a small soda.
Certainly. What flavor of soda would you prefer? We have cola, lemon lime, and orange.
I will have the cola, please. And do you have any chocolate bars?
Yes, we have milk chocolate and dark chocolate. Which one would you like?
I will take the milk chocolate bar, please. That is all for me.
Perfect. So that is 1 medium popcorn, 1 small cola, and 1 milk chocolate bar. Your total is $12.50.
Here is $15. You can keep the change.
Thank you very much. Here is your popcorn, your soda, and your chocolate. Enjoy your movie.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Excuse me, can you help me find my screen?
Of course. Let me see your ticket, please.
Here it is. I have screen number 5.
Perfect. Screen 5 is on the second floor. You can take the stairs or the elevator.
Thank you. And where is the second floor?
Go straight ahead, then turn right. You will see the stairs.
Okay, I see. And my seat is number F12. Is that easy to find?
Yes, it is. The seats are marked with letters and numbers. Row F is in the middle.
That sounds good. What time does the movie start?
Your movie starts in 15 minutes. You have enough time to find your seat.
Great, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie.